gentlemen, if you look to your right and to your left, you'll see that our new ride is under construction, yet to be named. Once again, to your right and to our left, the new ride is under construction, slated to open in 2025.
Next year.
Grab a pretzel and beer at House Fest House. Test your skills with some games and relax at the perfect Bavarian beer garden. Journey deep into the Black Forest on Verbolten, a multi-launch indoor and outdoor coaster with a daring 88-foot climb towards the rock river that will be